Hey, in this short overview, I will talk about the way services are syndicated into a Cloud Foundry enterprise environment, or CFEE in short. Services in Cloud Foundry are registered with a broker. That is, you could register any custom broker with any CFEE. A broker in turn will contribute the service catalog that it manages to the Cloud Foundry marketplace. Initially, these services are marked private. You could then use the Service Access Cloud Foundry facilities to make services plans public or available to specific organizations. Once a service plan is visible in the marketplace, a user could then create a new service instance. The broker itself is the mediator that takes that Cloud Foundry service request and works with the backend to create the actual service instance. The location where the service is created is determined by the specific of the custom broker. It may not run on the Cloud Foundry instance itself. Okay, so a CFEE, as any Cloud Foundry, can register with a custom broker. In this overview, however, I will focus on the IBM services and how these are syndicated into a CFEE instance. The IBM Cloud is using the same open source broker specification to publish all of its platform services. That is, every service provider, may it be an infrastructure provider or a database provider or whatever, they register a broker with the platform and contribute their services to the Cloud Platform's global catalog. When a CFEE is created, it registers a proxy broker with the IBM platform. This proxy publishes the global catalog services that are visible to that CFEE's account and exposes them to the CFEE marketplace. When Cloud Foundry requests the proxy broker to create a service, the proxy delegates the request to the platform broker. The platform broker will create a new service instance in any of the region that it supports and the one that's requested by the CFEE proxy broker. The service instance will be formally a platform service resource. This resource is then added as an alias to the CFEE instance. This alias is a formal Cloud Foundry service that is owned by the proxy broker. So let's drill down with an example. Let's assume that on the IBM platform's global catalog we have a service with two plans, Light and Standard. The proxy broker on the CFEE will add to the marketplace three plans, Light, Standard, and Alias. In this particular example, I will first create a service instance on the IBM Cloud, nothing to do with the CFEE instance. Once I have an instance, I could then add that instance to any of the CFEEs that I have access to by creating an alias to a specific space in that CFEE. Creating an alias will add a CF service. That service instance that created on the CFEE will be based on the alias plan. In the previous example, we created a service from the IBM platform first. In this example, if we initiate a service creation from the CFEE using vanilla CF API, CLI, or the Stratus UI, you will have to provide extra parameters like which region to create a service at, what resource group to put it in, and such. Take a look at the service creation movie for more specifics. But when the service instance is created, it is again created as a formal platform resource. The only difference is that now the service is created in the CFEE based on the actual plan it was requested with. If you add this platform resource as a service to another CFEE space, as in the previous example, it will be added based on the alias plan.